Timothy Morris, Tech 2. I'm training to be site supervisor for Pearce. My current job consists of training guys, solving problems, troubleshooting, and utility fix. It's a lot of growth opportunities. You just got to be willing to work hard, put in the effort, learn your craft, and each day take it one step at a time and get better.
My name is Daniel Zamora, and I'm a field service tech 2 with Pearce. I take care of both solar and battery. Solar is, been here for a while, but battery's just starting. Battery's a whole different story. There's also the inverters, and they help out with the batteries. It's like what's behind the batteries or what's behind the solar, that runs it. Everybody always has each other backs, always training each other no matter what. Someone always, learns something new. The next day, hey, let's do it together,
My name's Chandler Averill, and I work with Pearce, and I'm the lead HVAC technician. This company will teach you a lot. It'll get you into the solar industry, which there's a lot of work that's being created right now. Just in the high desert alone out here in the Antelope Valley has grown in the last 2 years like crazy. I remember when I first came to the site, half of the equipment we have out there wasn't even put up. 2 years later, it's doubled. What's important to me, knowing the guys I'm working with are gonna make sure I'm doing things the right way so I don't hurt myself or get hurt in the field. Knowing you're working with a good crew is pretty important.
Safety is everything here. Making sure everybody is being held accountable.
Pearce proud to me is, safety first. You want to come to work and then leave the same way. All your fingers, arms and legs, safety. That's literally main topic.
I get to come to work and know I'm trying to make a difference in the electrical industry and try to bring a new light on how we can bring renewable power into the grid.